Welcome back. You're still tuned in to Midcap Radar, and the stock on our radar right now is Dhanuka Agritech. The stock is up in trade today. The 100 crore rupee buyback opens tomorrow. Remember, the buyback price was announced at 2,000 rupees a share, and it was announced 2nd August, but it opens tomorrow. To discuss this and more on demand and business outlook, we are joined by Mahendra Kumar Dhanuka, the Vice Chairman and MD at Dhanuka Agritech. Mr. Dhanuka, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining in. We'll discuss buyback in greater detail in just a bit. I just wanted to understand the Q2 demand trends because you had indicated that some of the sales saw a return and that was impacted because of various factors. First, if you can explain what led to that. And second, if it has continued in August as well. So do you see more sales return coming up in coming months as well?
Good afternoon, Sonal. Let me update you that in the recent board meeting on 2nd August, I have been elevated as the chairman of the company, and Rahul Dhanuka, who was the son of Mr. R.J. Agarwal, he has been nominated as the managing director. So for future records, I just wanted to update. You are right that the material, especially the weedicides, which were placed in the month of May and June, which was to be consumed in the month of July, but because of the dry spell from 1st of July till 25th of July, the weedicide consumption was less, and those weedicides has been returned back by the distributors. So that has impacted the growth sales for the month of July. August, it is still mixed bag, not very good because of the continuous rains and the floods in number of states. So because of which the sprays has been missed out by the farmer, because the farmer is afraid that because of the continuous rains, if he spray the pesticide, it will be washed out if the rains come. So he is not basically doing the sprays. So that has been impacted the sales in the month of August also.
So, Mr. Dhanuka, then the guidance that you had given, low double-digit growth and 100 basis points margin contraction in Q2, does that stay or will you even do lower number than that?
No, we hope that now the rains will stop and the remaining 40 days of the season for this quarter will improve and we will be able to deliver a lower double-digit growth by end of September.
Okay, sir. So Q2, you continue to maintain your guidance of lower double-digit growth, and before we go to the buyback, are you also maintaining your FY25 top-line growth guidance of 18 to 20%? Any tweaks over there?
No, we will continue with our guidance of 18 to 20% in the top line and 100 bips downfall in the EBITDA margins.
That's for entire FY25, the 100 basis points decline in EBITDA margins?
Yeah, for entire FY25.
Mr. Dhanuka, you've also announced a buyback of close to 100 crore. Now, the price that you've announced it is at almost 2,000 rupees a share. Question number one, will the promoters be participating? We understand it's via the tender route. So will the promoters be participating in this buyback?
Yeah, promoters will also be participating in the buyback.
And what is the rationale? I mean, did you find that to be the best utilization of cash at the current time, or what is the rationale for going for this particular buyback?
Actually, you see, there was some tax advantages in the buyback. We can reward to the shareholder, and this is the, I think, last buyback, because from 1st of October, the total amount received through buyback will be taxable in the hands of the shareholder. So I don't see that in future the buyback should take place. So considering the short time, we decided on 2nd August board meeting, and we hope before 30th September, we will complete the buyback.
Okay, that is something that a lot of companies are doing because of that new tax changes that have come by. So a slew of buybacks which have been announced by companies now. Mr. Dhanuka, what is the balance sheet looking like? If you can give us a sense of the cash that you have in your books, and is there any more capex coming up? What does it do to any more fundraising plans that you have, if you have it all?
No, we have ample cash available on our balance sheet. More than 250 crores cash is available in the balance sheet. So we don't plan for any fundraising in near future. So we hope some capex will be definitely there at both at Sanand and the Udhampur, but capex at the Dahej plant will depend on some tie-up with any of the Japanese company.
Okay, sir. So, what's actually happened as far as Q1 was concerned was that you saw very strong volume growth, almost 39% volume growth, but you actually saw price realizations decline. You've also said in the con call that your new introductions, that are 3 projects, Purge, Lenovo, as well as Mycore Super, are receiving very good response from customers. What prices do you typically sell them at? Are they higher than the current product profile you currently are? And on the back of that, why is it that you're guiding for a slightly lower EBITDA margin in FY25 versus FY24?
You see, prices for the molecules depend on product to product. It's not similar for all the products. Lenovo is around 8,000 rupees a liter, and Pars is around 2,500 rupees a liter, while the Mycore Super is around 125 rupees a kg. So different products have different prices range, and margins definitely are higher because they are exclusive molecules. Dhanuka has introduced all the 3 molecules first time in India, and we are getting very good response from the farmers and the distributors.
Okay. So, from here on, growth, Mr. Dhanuka, will it be volume-led or will it be led by pricing? And the growth also, will it start coming in from the Dahej plant in terms of profits this year? By when do you expect break-even there?
By FY27, we expect break-even from Dahej plant. And the second question was?
The growth from here on, will it be pricing-led or will it be completely volume-led?
No, there will be variation of 2%. In the first quarter, the variation was 6% between volume and the value. I hope by the year end, it will remain 2%.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Dhanuka, for joining us and speaking to us about how Q1 panned by and how exactly is Q2 panning out so far. Now, moving on.